In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to Facebook basic version. It's also known as MBASIC. So it's very easy. So first thing, you have to go to a browser. Now, I don't think you can do it on Chrome because last time I tried it returned me to the normal modern version of Facebook. So click on the browser on your phone and then click on the search for basic Facebook version, and then it's going to show you a link like this. Click on it, and then here you have to log into your account, and you can tell this is the Facebook basic version because it says m.facebook.com. So that's pretty much it. That's how to switch to Facebook basic version. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.